Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday and I thought it would be the perfect day to go ahead and clean and reset my space. We have been living in Florida for a month now, so everything is finally together. All of my packages and decor and furniture is finally here, like that new duvet and pillows, so I'm so excited things are finally coming together. But yeah, this is my Sunday reset routine. I just start off doing a few loads of laundry. It is also sheet washing day for us on Sundays, so I want to get that done. And this washer is so much higher tech than our old ones that we had, and I'm loving it. Like, the appliances are so much newer and I am just obsessed. The cleaning absolutely cannot get done without lunch, so I'm just sitting down having a little wrap, some chips, and some pickles before I tackle the bathroom. I have not cleaned this bathroom yet in the few weeks we have lived here, so it was overdue for a clean, and I have never had glass shower doors before, and that's another thing that is such a luxury to me. It just feels so luxurious, and it's perfect for my self-care nights and, you know, just romanticizing my life, because if you know, you know. I love doing that. Next is the toilet, and this is just one of those chores that I just cannot be bothered by, so I only do it every so often. I'm not gonna lie, but it got done today. Once I see it kind of getting dirtier, then I do clean it, so I'm not gross, I promise. But honestly, as the end of this year approaches, I've just been kind of reflecting on the year and everything I've accomplished and everything I got to do. I am just so thankful and grateful for all of those fun, exciting moments that I had this year. And it's just so important to kind of stop and reflect and see where things have gone the past year. And I highly recommend doing this, but I've talked about it in a few different vlogs before, but I actually bought this jar on Amazon. It is my wins jar. So I started it January 1st of 2022, so the first of the year, and every like notable achievement or any type of win I had in both my personal life or my career, I would write it on a sticky note. I would fold it up and put it in that jar. So that way, whenever the end of the year is here, so just in a few weeks, I'm going to go ahead and look back on all the things that I accomplished and all the wins that I had this year. And I just think that's so important because sometimes we forget like what we actually did accomplish, and it's super important to be celebrating those small and big wins. So I highly recommend doing something like that. But honestly, I've always been a personal development girly. I always love listening and watching and just learning from other people who have been through different things in life. So I'm always on like life advice TikTok or YouTube videos, and my next video that I am filming, actually I filmed it yesterday, so it is being edited. It is actually selfish decisions to make in your 20s, and it was a really fun video for me to make just because I was able to go through like the things that you should be doing in your 20s, because in your 20s, it's honestly a time to explore and navigate different areas of your life, and it's okay to explore new options and fail, like no matter if it's like a new business or a job. And I kind of talk about that a lot more in that video, so make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, of course, but make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video coming next week. And I also realized that since I am in my mid-20s and I turn 26 in 2023, it is just crazy how time has flown by. I have had a few years of my, I guess, career field under my belt in the last few years. So yeah, it was just fun to kind of reflect and decide on those selfish decisions to make in your 20s. And I think there's so much room for growth, even like not in your 20s. So even if you're in your 30s, your 40s, or what have you, there's still time to learn and grow and try new things, because with life, there's only so many days that we get to live, and I really, this is like my motto, like no day is guaranteed to us, and I feel like we really need to live each day to the fullest and do things we want to do without the approval of other people, because like I said, we don't know how many days we're going to live and tomorrow isn't guaranteed. So it's important to do things that you want to do. Okay, I know that was really deep and I'll kind of go off of that topic right now, but yeah, I just thought I'm just so passionate about that topic, so I feel like I needed to share it. After a long day of cleaning, I decided to hop in the shower and do some self-care, and then I just put on some comfies and then emptied the dishwasher since it was finally ready to unload. I just feel like having clean dishes is like one of those things, like whenever you have an empty laundry hamper or basket, it just feels so good for like the 5 seconds that it's empty. So since my husband and I signed a 9-month lease here in Florida, we moved a few weeks ago from the Midwest because we wanted a change of pace, and honestly it has been so nice so far. We both have work from home careers, so this was honestly such a nice change for us. We really wanted to focus on our health, our careers, our marriage, and this was just something that we probably can't do in the future. Obviously, I miss so many people back home, like my friends and my family and my routine back there, but we were selling our house and looking to buy a new one, and in the midst of it, we're like, you know what, let's just go to Florida. We've always wanted to live there. We didn't want to wait till retirement, so we thought it was the perfect time to do that. So we are here. We almost are a month down, and it has just been so amazing so far. But that is going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for that video I have next week. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. See ya!